A damaged gutter system can cause serious damage to your roof. For example, it can cause water to pool inside, creating a breeding ground for pests and disease-carrying water. Insufficient drainage can also lead to ice dams, which put a lot of weight on your roof and damage its structural integrity. Professional contractors can help you find the best style and design for your house and climate. They can also identify where your gutter is performing poorly and recommend the proper placement. The right location will prevent water from pooling near the foundation of your house. You can also prevent future problems by using covers, guards. This way, you can prevent the need for a replacement. While installation is not an easy task, it is essential for your property. Installing a new gutter system may be a good option if they are leaking, spreading apart, or having other issues. The best time to install is in the spring or summer. In Virginia, snow is gone and it will be clear of debris. This makes assessing much easier and more efficient. Moreover, it's the perfect time to prepare for the upcoming fall weather.